Hello everybody and welcome back to Entrepreneur. You're with me, Ben Ibrahim, and if you're just joining us for the very first time today, we're still talking to Mr. Kenny Yap, CEO and founder of KianClassic, a cabinet making business. Now Mr. Kenny, tell us how you differentiate yourself from your competitors.
We always come out with something new, like we are first in Malaysia doing the sliding wardrobe. We borrow the window thread, we use the aluminum thread and get the very smooth the sliding door. Another, we come out package like when I went to the owner house, the customer very difficult to know the design everything, and then I come out the package like for one TV cabinet and wardrobe, 3 wardrobe and 1 kitchen cabinet. We got a 3 room 2 hall, and they're easy to let the customer know the way. And we also use the good material like our spray pen. We use the spray pen and then we use the UV protector. That is very good for the customer.
Well, I think Kenny is a very self-motivated and determined person. And once he set his goal, he just spent all his effort to do it. And I think he's also quite creative because he sometimes bring new stuff to the market. For example, the sliding door, and he do improvement to make it more quality. And it was very popular in the market right now. And for example, also like the concept, kitchen concept, and also a package. Yeah, so nowadays everybody is well accepted. He do a lot of innovation to the industry. For example, he do the soft close function. Why I mention the soft close? Because I think he's a very considerate person. He just add a little bit value added, to the cabinet. The whole cabinet will be different because the customer is really appreciate. Just for example, the door is just normally closing, but he add the soft closing on it. It becomes a very quality. I mean, like everybody will appreciate because the door when closed is very silently, quietly, and so nice. So this kind of thing, Kenny is really good on it. Just a small detailing can make the things really good.
Well, I'm in this line doing interior for a very long time, 19 years I should say. Once upon a time, having kitchen cabinet in one's home is only for the rich and the upper class. But now, finally working with Mr. Yap, he is making it possible and wants that every house will have 1 kitchen cabinet set. He's the one who started with this packages things, with kitchen wardrobes, etc. for a very reasonable price, with no compromise on quality. We are very particular in quality control. He wants every house in Malaysia to have a kitchen cabinet. That, as they say, kitchen is the heart of every home. He is making it possible for everyone to own KianClassic products, as we are specialists in kitchen and wardrobes. In fact, I have most of my customers who wanted to have KianClassic sticker on their kitchen and wardrobes.
Tell us about your brand strategy, how you brand your products.
The brand strategy is we always use media. Like I said, the Star and the Sinjil. We also join the exhibition or roadshow. This is we let many people to know our brand.
Good. That's a very, very good idea. You've been in this business for almost 13 years. What has been the major learning curve in your time as the boss?
We learn the advertisement for the newspaper, and with the roadshow and the exhibition. We also build up the brand with the logo, design the logo and the uniform, and we also use the design software. I said the 3D software is very real, and then what you design, what you see, and then we can follow the design and then finish the job.
Fantastic. Kenny, in this business, what is your biggest cost and overhead?
In our industry, the bigger cost is our renter and staff salary, and the material very important.
Can you tell us about your business plan?
We just brought a new factory at the Bragong. The site allows 50,000 square feet. We cater to our sales and marketing to cater together, and then we will plan to open another 10 outlets in the 5 years. In the next 5 years.
Now, you plan to open 10 outlets in 5 years. Tell us about the potential challenges that you'll face in this expansion plan.
And our challenge is the financial and get the right people and right place. These are our challenges.
Okay. So, Kenny, based on what you said earlier, how do you plan to overcome those challenges?
We would do the factory sales and warehouse sales, and also tie up with the band, like that, to send out the email, get the professional internet, and then we set out the promotion. Let's say we also promotion one is the TV cabinet, TV console. The price is 1,000 plus, and also offer the wardrobe, sliding wardrobe. We also upgrade our cabinet. Let's say we launching one is the clean cabinet. What is the low formatter high? It's a clean non-toxic. This is very good product for our customer.
I think he is a very unselfish businessman or employee. Why I'm saying that is because he is really willing to share the success with his staff or friends. For example, he is willing to share the to offer the franchise, to his staff or anybody who want to venture in this business. Actually, this is a very good idea, smart idea, because it will help the staff to become not only a staff, become a business partner. So in this case, everybody have the same goal or same dream. So that is a very smart idea.
Since the past 12 years, we already built up a business system, how we run the business, and we have a proper training that is a standard operating procedures, which we are willing to share with our franchisee. We believe if they follow our system, follow our procedures, they can really do very well in the kitchen cabinet industry. Because as a franchisor, we will provide them with a lot of support, such as the advertising and promotions, training, product training, and then road shows. We will also help them to give them this management advice, and then we will help them to do the customer service. We will back them up because we are the manufacturer ourselves. We have our own factory, so we know the entire procedures very well, every detail, how to come out with the entire kitchen cabinet and wardrobe. So that's why we can provide them very good backup service. Let's say like if they just become a middleman and they want to be in this business and they are getting the supply from others, so they may not be able to deliver very good service to the customers. If there is a defect or whatever customer complain, so they may not be able to solve it. But with our system, with our back-end support, we believe that our franchisee, they can do very well because we have the entire team to support them.
Well, there you have it, folks. Sometimes, in a time of recession, a really, really good idea might come out. In Kenny's case, it's the franchise program. We're just going to take a very short commercial break, but when we come back, we're going to learn about Kenny, what he does away from the business. Stick with us right here on Entrepreneur.